Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2021. This is the Activa One 550 MS from EuraMobil, a rather cute motorhome. Can't give you the price, it's not written up here, it'll be a fortune anyway. But it's a little bit unusual in as much as the lights don't seem to work. Well, having said that, I knew the lights were off when I came in. Let's turn them on. Let's see if I can work out how to turn the lights on. There you go. Oh, well, here you go. I'll show you how to turn the lights on. What you do, first of all, you press this button here, which is your 12 volt, and then you see it doesn't work. And then what you do, you find the one with the light switch, and then you press that one. Anyway, that's how it should be working, but never mind, you can see what's going on. Now, let's go to the very back, because what this vehicle has is a rear bathroom. And now, this vehicle is under 6 meters in length, yet it seems to have all of this space, 230 centimeters in width. I'm now going off memory. If they've changed it for this year or next year, it's a 2022 version, then sorry, I made a mistake, and it'll be written below in the description, possibly with the price, possibly. And but what you've got, thanks to the fact that it goes up so high, and you've got this overcab, you've got all this huge, it seems as though you've got stacks and stacks of space. Now, one of the things that you might often think is, the problem with the overcab is that you find you've got this bench here, and the bench is a waste of space. Now, the bench being here, of course, does give you an extra bed. That's the point of it. As you can see from the crook in the leg, then you can put that down. I believe you can put that down. Let's have a look. Although there isn't one at the other side. Well, okay, I know what it'll be. You've got some boards that come out, and that allows this to become an extra bed. So you've got sleeps 4. Now, sometimes I think that's a bit daft, sleeping 4 in a van of this size. But, you know, maybe because the way it's laid out, you could actually manage it. Not only that, you can travel 6, because I see there's 6 belted positions in here. Now, the thing with the cab up front, though, as well, and you think, well, that's a bit waste of space, isn't it? Oh, so I do appreciate that. But it would be very difficult, not price-wise, it would be hugely difficult. That would easily add 25,000 to the price, is to making the seats, further up, so there would be use at the back. Now, why is this so high? Well, it's got a double floor in it, and that is something which I think is particularly useful. And look how deep it is as well. So, I think there's a lot of practical, positive, good things about this, even if the van, in some ways, does resemble one that was built in 1983. A year I remember very well, because I started university then. And I could have done with one of these then. I wouldn't have had to pay for accommodation in London, though I very much doubt I'd have been able to park it anywhere. That all apart, let's have a look at some of the other facilities. You can see there's a press conference going on here, which I'm supposed to be attending, and I might just poke my nose in a few minutes' time. Fantastic amount of storage for a van of this size. And there's your boiler. You can't see it, but can you see it now? Still can't see it now. Anyway, you have to believe me. There's a boiler down there. Fridge. And kitchen, 3 burners. You've got a stack of space up here. You've got a really big sink. You know what? I don't think this is a bad van at all. So there's some of my opinions on the Activa One 550 MS. What we'll do is here's another one. And though before I'm going to show you that, I'm going to show you on the outside of this one here. Got all this space there for garage. Under there and bike rack. Okay, I'll show you this here one. This one's a bit longer. This is the Activa One 690 HB. So we'll see what you get from having a bigger one. Well, so far it looks the same. Same double floor, cab over. But what this has done is you've got a bigger, more space for the kitchen, it appears to me. But above all, you've got this at the back. You've got this double bed here, and this will be another one which sleeps 6, and 6 can travel in it. The difference in price on the base price, and now I'm guessing because I haven't got the information in front of me, but there will be very little. It'll be a matter of a couple of €1,000, something like that. So as a percentage of the overall cost, this will not be much more expensive, because the main part of the work is the building of the infrastructure to it, and both of them have the same infrastructure inside anyway. So the longer it is doesn't mean to say that it is going to be any cheaper. Activa One 690 VB. So what does the VB stand for? Could be very bad, we'll find out. Looks the same as you come in. Hello.
Hallo.
No, kein Problem. And VB clearly stands for thing at the back, very bad back. And so you've got this kids area, bunks at the back, and in here, not very similar, isn't it, to the first one. Now, putting bunks at the back, I think the idea is, obviously with motorhomes, the whole thing is you're selling dreams and emotions. You're not actually selling a concrete product as such, as it is with many things. I put my own opinion is that it's not aimed at the parents, it's aimed at the grandparents, and that's speaking from a person with some experience in marketing. Activa One here, another one, and this one is a 650 HS. Now I particularly like this model. In fact, I might even close my tour with this model, as this one is my favorite model. It wouldn't suit me, but I think it's really good. I like this caravan type rear lounge. Stack of space here, beds up front. And how do you get into the bed? There's a set of steps there which comes out. There you go. How about that? It's clever, eh? And there's a bit that goes up there as well, so you don't get to the top of the steps. A bit like you did in Life of Brian, went round to the top of the steps of the tower and then fell off. It won't be like that, because there is a bit that fills in there somewhere. Should you want it, I mean, you might want to have that gap. Who knows? And as it's new, it's pretty stiff, but that's not a bad sign. Good, eh? Same double floor wardrobe. Oh, it's got a corny one of these. Something had to go and spoil it, didn't it? This is jammed. Anyway, well, okay, you've got a plastic thing there which jams for when you're in the shower. So, good. There you have the Activa Ones. Oh, have a look at this. We'll make this one the last one. I did say that one was going to be the last one, but now this one here is the last one. 570 HS. Now HS tells us that, what's HS stand for? Well, it's got a rear lounge. There you go. Plenty of storage. Bed up here. Access via a ladder. Not as nice as those steps. And this has got one of them plastic things which is in its proper position. That's to say, to allow a view of the vehicle. You know, rear lounge. Okay, Activa One in its 2022 guise. I'll stick a price below. I'll give you a link with the prices or something of that nature. So this is, I'll show you around. This is Caravan Salon 2021. This is the professionals day, so public has not been allowed in, so that's why there's not so many people here. But nonetheless, I believe that here this year there are more people on the professionals day than I have ever seen before. There you are. And the two stars, your EuraMobil, the Integra 890 with the queen bed, and the Contura, which was introduced for the 2021 season. Okay, so I started off with this one here, the Activa One 550 MS. So there it is. Thanks very much for watching, and all the best from Dusseldorf.